I'm kicking you. No, you're not.
Black Ops, liquidate all CDP assets.
Stop using a knife. Can you tell him to stop using a knife? I put 6.
How many guys do you have?
Oh my god.
I killed myself, Carlos.
I killed myself twice. Nah, Pretto, no. Pretto, no.
Wait, what? Carlos.
Oh my god. What?
Carlos. Carlos. Carlos.
Mitochondria.
Carlos.
What?
How many guys you got?
6 total lives.
How many?
Infantry down.
Carlos.
What? Oh my
How
god.
many guys? I couldn't hear you.
6. Yep, Angel's out. Oh my god, I'm out of lives. Pretto been camping. Pretto
many
right
do I
there.
have?
Pretto right there behind you. No, it's only 6 lives. He has 1 more.
No.
Stop. Nah. Angel, take the control away from him, Angel. Eric, isn't that your brother? Okay, then tell him to stop doing whatever he's doing. Nice, Pretto.
Give it, please. Give it, please.
Oh my god. The 2 worst people. The two worst people. You guys are so far away from each other. He has no more ammo. He has no more ammo. Don't. No punching. No punching. Oh my god. Shut up. Prachi, watch out. Prachi, watch out. Prachi, watch out. Oh my god. He's not going. He's not going. He's not moving.
I'm not gonna go out. I have to give him a reason to go out.
Can you aim before you shoot? It's a fist fight. Pretto won for once. How does it feel, Pretto?
Feels good. I was listening to Angel. Every time he said throw a knife, he was talking to Prachi, but I throw a knife and it worked.
Oh yeah.
I thought you throw a tomahawk with Elwood.
It's all good, fam.
Wet work still.
Sorry, Angel. Wait, why do I have grabby spikes? Pretto, no. Oh my god.
I thought there was a fan of mayonnaise.
RPG, run!
No, 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 no.
RPG!
Oh, I got two.
Oh my god. Anchorberg.
Chicken pretzel. Wow.
Where are you guys? Shh, oh my god. Use a tomahawk only. Just use a tomahawk. Cool, dude, stop hacking.
I keep on forgetting about
No hackers allowed. What? That didn't kill you, Mike?
I didn't.
Oh my god. I'm camping. I ain't trying to die. Remember. Like a
Yo.
mystical.
Mike, let's play gun game after.
It's whoever wins 4.
Carlos.
What?
Let's play gun game after this.
Oh my god.
I didn't try that.
Hostile UAV
Carlos.
spotted.
No, Mike,
Let's
that's
play
not fair.
gun game after this.
I'm gonna win either way.
Fire break.
Oh, yes. Oh, I need ammo.
Game.
I gotta be very careful.
Carlos.
I'm hunting rabbits.
Carlos,
I heard you.
are we gonna play gun game?
Oh my god, we gotta finish this.
Yeah, I mean after this.
Incoming order.
Oh my god. Really, Pretzel, look what you did.
Ah, fucking. Okay, I'm up.
Mike, watch out. Screen. Screen look at him. Screen look.
Damien,
Alright, Mike,
Damien.
you hold me up.
Why don't you just screen look?
join this game.
Mike is coming out that corner right there.
Why? Oh.
Mike, you're so bad.
Are you downloading it?
Oh my god.
Are you downloading multiplayer?
Cool, dude, just go. Get him. Screen look. Mike ain't talking.
Mike has one.
I don't get it why Cool Dude didn't just kill you.
Mike, right there through the door.
Going KIA.
Screen looker. He's teabagging him, go.
Incoming RPG.
One around. Okay, wait. What? Oh,
Andy, jump shot, jump shot.
didn't pop out any.
RPG.
Oh my god.
Damien. It's for you.
Please, tomahawk. Tomahawk only.
I can't hear you.
Tomahawk. No, 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 you can't use that.
I can't. Damien, what happened? You could only play. Wait. We caught Damon.
Just look for some bodies.
Tomahawk. Use the tomahawk.
Nope.
Last life.
Come on, guys.
You're in the field.
What is Kudu doing, man? He's so bad.
Oh.
I know Mike's gonna commit suicide any second now.
Just scared.
What did I tell you?
You're so bad.
Go for this now.
Okay, this one, and then we're gonna see what
Be
happens.
advised, Black Ops are in the AO.
I know those are being around the water so that I'll put them in the
Yo, tell fam to use regular guns. I mean, use a rocket launcher.
Spectre, KIA.
I need ammo. I don't wanna fist you. Oh my god.
Oh, goodness. God damn it.
Threat neutralized.
You failed, bro.
Damn it. Really, Angel? Freaking fam. Dumbass. Nah. Come on. I'm kicking fam.
Wait, who was fan?
Yeah, I could kick fam, but not Parachi.
Incoming RPG.
Yeah, I could just kick Parachi, nothing happens.
Spectre wasted.
Pistol whip.
Ruin. Done.
Come on, leave me alone, I have one life.
RPG inbound.
Come on, I need ammo. I'm gonna go punch you. Oh my god, Kudu, leave me alone. Mike. Next time we play with Kudu, he's getting kicked. Mike.
Wait, who's fan?
That was me, Mike.
Don't worry about it. Mike. Since you're split screen with Andy, why don't you just screen look him? So much easier. Yes.
Okay, hold on.
Prachi, don't do it. Andy, screen look him. Oh my god, what is Andy doing? Andy's being stupid.
RPG!
Oh my god.
That was my
Come on.
live.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Punch is a one-shot kill. Because I lowered health. I lowered health to 75.
No, my.
Mike, why do you have a knife? Okay, I don't care. Just use fist. Use fist. I don't care. Cool dude is camping. Cause Mike, you've been camping. Sure. Use fist, anything. Anything goes. Come on. Yo, just end it, damn. What you taking so long for? So I don't like playing with you guys.
Mike.
End it
How come
already.
Cool Dude never talks?
Cause he's black. Mike. No, cause Mike's bad. Mike doesn't play smart. Like, look at this. Oh my god, hurry up.
I don't think we could join. He didn't have multiplayer. I don't think.
Mike, just punch him. You're so bad.